Hello, good morning, namaskar. Today I am going to discuss a new rubric in continuation of explanation of rubric chapter mind from Boric repertory. So today rubric is comprehension. What is comprehension? Comprehension in Hindi समझना. The ability to understand something is comprehension. Level of comprehension. Number 1. Literal. Stated facts in text, data, specific date, traits and settings. Level 2. Inferential. Build on facts in the text, prediction, sequence and setting. Level 3. Evaluative. Judgment of text based on facts or opinion. Validity. Appropriateness, comparison, cause and effect. Comprehension difficult medicine Anacardium, Baptisia, Gelsemium, Helleborus, phosphoric acid in second grade. Comprehension easy, 2 medicine, Coffea and Lachesis in single grade. What are other words for comprehension? Understanding, grasp, perception, apprehension, conception, inclusion, awareness, realization. Next is consciousness. Regarding consciousness, Albert Einstein explained a human being is a part of the whole called by us universe, a part limited in time and space. He experiences himself, his thought and his feeling as something separate from the rest, a kind of optical delusion of consciousness. Meaning of consciousness in Hindi. अभिज्ञता, चेतन, चेतना, चैतन्य, जानकारी, ज्ञान, बोध, संज्ञा, समझ, होश, आपा इत्यादि. Consciousness loss of medicine L. Bela, hydrocyanic acid, opium. Other words for consciousness is awareness, cognizance, recognition, perception, realization, sense, understanding, comprehension, etc. Cretinism, बौनापन. The medical definition of cretinism is untreated congenital hypothyroidism with or without goiter is cretinism. Cretinism, imbecility, idiocy, medicine, Ethuja, Britacarb, Buforana in second grade. Other words for cretinism: lunacy, insanity, imbecility, idiocy, madness, fatuity, tomfoolery, senselessness, etc. So today in this video I conclude 3 rubrics: comprehension, consciousness, cretinism. Any suggestion by you for improvement of this video. You may give suggestion in comment section or WhatsApp number or email. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.